I bring you updates concerning Nnamdi Kanu matter. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, Justice John Tsoho, will be the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court. He don decline the request of Justice Binta Nyako to withdraw from the trial of the pro-Biafra activist, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, will be Nnamdi Kanu. Now, my good people, you know say Nnamdi Kanu will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. He be yarn for inside court say he no get confidence again in the trial court judge will be Justice Binta Nyako, and he come dey yarn say make the woman wash hand comot for him case. Reacting to wetin Oga Nnamdi Kanu talk, the trial judge will be Justice Binta Nyako sef come dey yarn say she sef she don tire for the case Kanu, say she go gladly wash her hand comot for the matter, and na so the last session for court e take play out. And based on how I been give you the report last time, they come carry the matter now give the chief judge, make him to torchlight the matter. If him find out say true the way Justice Binta Nyako will be the trial judge for Nnamdi case till they handle the matter, if him check am proper, he come see and say e no make sense, injustice follow for inside, he go carry the case give another judge. But if him check the matter proper, he come see and say the trial judge will be Justice Binta Nyako, she is doing well, he go carry the matter return back to her. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court will be Justice John. He don't carry the matter now, return am back to Justice Binta Nyako. He said this Nnamdi Kanu case na high profile case, make Justice Binta Nyako continue to dey handle the case. So my good people, this now they let the general public they know say the way Justice Binta Nyako be take dey flow the matter true, it be make sense. True, there was no partiality for inside. And my good people, see this information we just received so it dey come from a very reliable source wey decide to stay anonymous. And this source now come dey yarn also say this decision now wey the chief judge make it was very much influenced by different factors, including the fact say two other judge they be don recently comot their hand for this matter. When they handle Nnamdi Kanu case, they see and say the thing get as e be, and they wash their hand comot. But since Justice Binta Nyako come take over the case, the thing come dey make sense. This Nnamdi case now since 2015 now in start, and na Justice Binta Nyako now don handle am pass, and the way he take handle am, the chief judge dey feel as if na she be the best judge wey go fit settle the matter, wey go fit close the case. And another truth of this matter be say this case true e don too delay. Since 2015, now they battle for inside trial court. Normally, the thing no make sense. But like this now, Justice James will be the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court. She now don't give directive to Justice Binta Nyako. He don't tell her how the matter supposed be. And he can provide option give Nnamdi Kanu if the IPOB leader still continue with his challenge. That is, if he still wants make Justice Binta Nyako come on hand for the matter. According to how the chief judge take yarn on this one, he said if Nnamdi Kanu say they insist on removing Justice Binta Nyako, he must submit a formal motion with an affidavit specifying all ground for this in request. No be small matter, my good people. You know say I be don give you reports about the reasons, about the things wey to make Oga Nnamdi Kanu no want make Justice Binta Nyako continue with this in case. He no want make she dey handle the matter because he no trust her again. He no get confidence in her judgment. He dey feel as if the woman is now biased, like she don't add partiality join her judgment. Now, my good people, make I yarn you another legit, make I tell you another truth about this matter. You know say, despite all these ones wey Oga Nnamdi Kanu dey yarn, despite any pending formal objections from Nnamdi Kanu legal team, you see the chief judge, based on this in recent ruling, in dey try let the general public know say they are very much committed to making sure that this Nnamdi Kanu case is under the supervision of Justice Binta Nyako. Now, he don return Nnamdi Kanu case file go give Justice Binta Nyako. The next hearing go determine whether Nnamdi Kanu will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, whether he go file the necessary motion in making sure that Justice Binta Nyako no go come dey handle a matter again. And if he choose to do that one, so that means he don't take the advice of Justice John, and he don't potentially add a new chapter to this lengthy proceedings. This in court case, so don't take too long. He don't by himself now add more time to the matter. Like this now, nobody know how long this case go continue. Nobody know when the case go through end. You understand? But you see the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, the freedom fighter Nnamdi Kanu, he don already yarn for inside court say no matter the matter, say he don stay for inside court for 4 years, the 5th year no go kpai am, the 5th year no go give am RIP. So like this now, im dey try tell us say he is very much prepared to wait no matter how long wey e go take, so far as say the case is being handled without partiality. No be small matter my good people. Now you see this man wey be Nnamdi Kanu, he don too see shege for the hands of the federal government, and as this matter just dey prolong dey go, him wey be Nnamdi Kanu plus other Biafrans and other freedom fighters, they no get choice but to wait. Now make I yarn you another legit my good people. You know say get one Nigerian lecturer wey dey base for inside the United States. He dey go by the name Professor Emeka Aniogulu. On Tuesday, 9 con dey yarn say as dem scrap history from primary and secondary school curriculum, it is very much a bad idea. E no make sense. He now con dey raise concerns say as they no want make younger generations learn about their ancestry and the reconstruction of past events, e fit induce some kind of form of amnesia for inside the society. E go make country people now go come dey forget how past life been be like, how tradition been dey work for inside the country Nigeria. And he come say dey yarn say many youngsters now, many country people, especially the youths dem, wey be say they just dey recruit them, dey join freedom fighters of proscribed group like the indigenous people of Biafra. They just dey join all this group. They don't know anything about how the past been be like, because it's either they were born during the Nigerian Civil War or they were born after the Civil War. And if they no come know about their history, if they are not being taught about their history for inside school, how they want to know how things still dey play out in the past? And normally those kind of level, it no make sense. He say for instance now, if you travel go US, come go ask any high school students about George Washington, you go see and say that students now go calm down, give you the history of American politician. He go tell you the things and things to know about George Washington and how politics were played during his era. You understand? But when it comes to Nigeria, it is very much different. Now they don't remove history from primary and secondary curriculum. The man say it no make sense. Nigerian youngsters need to know about their past. They need to know so that they will fit defend themselves when called upon. And no be lie my good people. The federal government now need to do something about the matter. The Ministry of Education need to step in. This my good people now the information I want share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey give on our legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this information and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey come inside again with another legit intel for you my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.